Hi dear Leos, a very happy Valentine Day to you guys. So basically, this is a general love reading for all the Leos out there, Sun, Moon, Venus rising. So we will tap into a partner's energy and your energy, and what we will see, what will come out as an outcome from 15th of Feb till 28th of Feb. Okay, so your partner's energy right now is the Three of Pentacles. So basically what I can feel is your partner is ready to work on this relationship, to put some teamwork, to put some effort in this particular relationship. So your partner's energy right now is that they want to work on this relationship. Basically they want a new start, a new beginning with you in this particular relationship. On the other hand, your energy is the Four of Swords. You also want a new start, Leo, but right now you are stuck. You are contemplating, maybe you are meditating, maybe you are taking a step back from this particular person or this relationship, and you feel like, okay, I also want to work on this particular relationship with this person, but right now I want to take a step back and analyze everything and see what is happening, okay, right now. And how they see you as the Hierophant. This is a very beautiful card. They see you as their long-term partner. They see you that you are a commitment, a marriage material. They want to marry you. They want long-term commitment with you, or else they can see you as a very spiritual person who is connected to God, who is very mature, who is able to handle everything very, very beautifully. So basically they want a long-term commitment with you, a long-term friendship with you, a long-term attachment with you, and they don't want to let you go. Okay, and how you see them, the Chariot energy is there. So you see them as a very, very passionate person, and you see them that this person is very determined. They are very, very passionate about their career, or about their job, or their love life, or their personal life. So whosoever this person is, Leo, you feel like this person is very, very passionate in all areas of their life, and they are moving forward with life with very, very courageous energy, with very, very passionate energy. Okay, so what they feel about this relationship, see, right now this is the Seven of Swords. So your partner is feeling like that you are hiding something from them, or you are being deceptive to them, or there is some kind of truth that came out in front of them, and they are feeling like, okay, you are not the right person for them. So this is kind of secretive energy. They are might be it might also be possible that your partner is hiding something from you, or your partner is feeling like, okay, you are not telling them the whole truth. You are not telling them what is happening with them, with you. So basically this is the energy. This is how they are feeling right now. Maybe they are being deceptive, maybe they are hiding things from you, maybe they are being secretive, maybe there is some kind of hidden truth that came out in light and you got the whole truth. Okay, and how you feel about this particular relationship is the Nine of Cups energy. So maybe Leo, you are feeling this relationship or this person as a wish fulfillment, or maybe you are trying to be alone and happy. You are trying to find your own happiness. You are trying to find your own wish fulfillment. Maybe there is some kind of energy present here in this 15 to 28th of Feb that is going to make you feel happy. Or maybe this person is making you feel happy, but I can't see that this person is right now feeling happy towards this relationship or in this relationship, although they see you as a long-term partner, as a commitment, as a spiritual person, as a they feel attached to you very much. But right now they are in this deceptive energy. They are in this energy of lying to you, maybe cheating on you, or maybe you are feeling like your partner is doing that. Okay, maybe they are feeling like that you are doing that, right? So it can be vice versa as well right now. What they want from this relationship, they want this relationship to work out, Leo. This is the Eight of Pentacles energy. So your partner wants to put on the effort, to put in the work, they basically want this relationship to work out, no matter how long will it take, or no matter how hard it will be for them, but they want this relationship to work out in the long term. What you want from this relationship is the Tower. Basically I feel like you want a new start in this relationship, because you might feel like the foundation was very weak, the start was very weak. This is not how it is going to work out. So basically this is kind of breakup thing as well. What I can feel is you might break up with this person, not like permanently, but I can feel that you are moving away from this person, or you are detaching from this person for the time being. And the Tower moment is telling me that yes, this is the right step to do, because what I can feel is this relationship don't have the strong foundation that there should be, that should be there. Okay, I'm so sorry for the juggling of words. So yeah, so basically you are feeling like this relationship was not much strong, and this relationship should start again, and we should start all over again. The weak foundation is there, so might be you are breaking up with them, or might be you are pushing them back, or might be you are detaching them yourself from them for the time being. Okay, the outcome from their side is the King of Wands. They are very, very passionate about you. Your partner is very, very passionate about you. They are going to offer you something very, very passionate, very, very solid. Maybe they are going to make you feel like, okay, you are the king of mine, you are the queen of mine, and I am going to love you forever, I am going to take care of you. They are very, very passionate about you. Or might be it might also be possible that they are sexually or physically attracted to you, and they want the physical things with you. Okay, and the outcome from your side is a death. Leo, you will feel like a rebirth. You will feel like there is something that ended and there is something that started. So it is kind of, you will not be the same person again. Might be you are ending things with this person. The Tower is also there, the Death card is also there. You are ending things with them, Leo. You are not in the mood of commitment, not in the mood of long-term investment in this particular relationship right now. Maybe you are ending thing with this person. The Tower moment is there, and there is some kind of rebirth in you. There is some kind of, Death card suggests that there will be some kind of rebirth from you. There will be a new Leo coming out of the old, and there will be lots of changes, lots of transformation happening within you. Okay, this is the outcome. So from 15th of Feb till the 20th of Feb, 8th of Feb, you are going to feel that you are transforming. You are going to feel that life is changing. You are going to feel very, very, very passionate, very, very happy about life. Although this relationship is breaking up, but you are going to feel good. I don't know what is happening with you. Yeah, this is painful. This is going to hurt you a lot, but at last you are going to transform into something new, Leo, and that is going to help you a lot in the long run. You will be someone new. You will be someone that knows life very well, right? That knows relationships very well. This is going to happen, and the outcome and the potential for this relationship to grow is the Knight of Swords. Basically, I think there is lots of communication coming towards you, Leo. There is lots of rushing energy coming towards you. A harsh energy is there, so maybe you are pushing them, they are pushing you, and there will be lots of communication. Okay, there will be lots of communication, lots of this and that conversation type things, but I don't feel like the love will come out of this. I feel like something is breaking up and something is growing in you. So yeah, communication is coming, but I don't feel like this is kind of lovey-dovey kind of communication. I'm sorry about this. And the guidance from the universe is the Temperance. You have to balance out things. You have to be very, very, very patient, Leo. I know this is not a Leo thing. You guys are very impatient, but you have to be very, very patient if you want things to work out in your favor. So you have to check on your temper first. You have to work on your temper first, Leo, and then you have to balance out the emotional side of yours, because this is not going to help you if you are going to lose your temper, or if you are going to behave like a kid or behave like an immature person. So you have to balance your cups, balance your temper. And another message from the Lovers card is the addiction. What I can feel is you guys are addicted to each other, maybe, or you guys are addicted to the thought of this relationship. Whatever this is codependency, obsession, controlling, had a block, restraint. This is the kind of energy, this is the guidance from the universe that this is going to happen. Okay, so this is the message. So Leo, I know this is not a very happy reading for you guys, but I have to tell you the truth, and this is going to happen with you guys. Not for every Leo out there, but yes, for some of them, if it is resonating with you, it is going to happen. Okay, so yeah, I'm really sorry for this kind of energy, but yes, the good thing is that you're transforming into something new, and that is going to help you a lot in your life, and that is going to make your new version of yourself. That is going to help you. Okay, Leo, so thank you so much for listening. God bless you, and do subscribe to my channel. Do let me know in the comment section below if you like it, and if it resonates with you. Thank you so much. God bless you. Namaste. Love from Anjali Tarot. Thank you.